So yesterday I met this guy who had failed his test. The reason? He wanted to turn right at an intersection and he didn't give way to the car that was coming straight. The examiner said that was too early for you to turn. You had to stop and give way to that guy and then turn. A little tip that can help you in these kind of situations is, well, in the first place, we know that this is a give way rule, one of the very basic give way rules, that anytime we turn right, we need to look ahead and see if there's any cars coming straight from the opposite side of the road. We need to give way to them. A little tip here: if you have this judgment right, great, that you know the car is far away, the car is slow, and you have time nicely to finish the turn, yes, go for it. But if you're in doubt, stop. So if you can judge, make that judgment that the car is far, the speed is too slow, and I have time to safely and nicely finish the turn, yes, we do that. But if we are in doubt, it's better to stop, give way to them, and then finish the turn.